Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Hanson here. So, I thought it would be super fun if we started doing maybe a couple of science experiments. Maybe these are things you can try at home, but you probably always have to make sure that you ask an adult before you do any of these. So, for right now, I want you guys to just watch me, and then maybe it's something that you guys could maybe do as a family and see if you can maybe get the same results as Mrs. Hanson, because I love doing science and experiments and something I miss doing with you guys a whole lot. So I bought this book, and it's all like, remember, our STEM room we have at school? This is all STEM projects that we could do. And it's awesome science experiments for kids. So I bought this book, so I thought we could do a lot of really cool things with it. So we are going to need a water bottle, baking soda, a balloon. I have a big old jug of vinegar. So first, I'm going to pour some of my vinegar into my cup. Big old thing of it over here. Lily, do you want to come help me in a second? Okay. Ooh. Oh, some. I'm going to pause it so I can clean up my vinegar mess. All right, so I cleaned up the vinegar I spilled. So now I did a half a cup of vinegar, poured it into the cup, or poured it into the bottle, and now I'm going to take some of my baking soda and I'm going to scoop it into my balloon, and then Lily is going to come help me. So you got to do it. You got to get not super big balloons, but don't get little ones. And this one's pretty stretchy because I have to put the baking soda inside of my balloon. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so I have my baking soda inside of my balloon, and then I'm going to take my balloon and I'm going to make sure that I have it all the way over my rim of my water bottle that has my vinegar inside of it. So I haven't done anything yet. All of the baking soda is right there in the balloon. So Lily, do you want to come over here and say hi to my friends? Hi. So first, before we do it, don't say anything, okay? What do you guys think is going to happen when we dump our baking soda into our vinegar? I want you guys to all make hypotheses right now and make predictions of what you guys think is going to happen, okay? All right, Lily, let's tip it. And look, the baking soda mixed with the vinegar and then it blew up our balloon. Isn't that pretty cool? You like it, Lil?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, thank you. So, isn't that awesome? So, our baking soda mixed up with our vinegar, and then the gases from that made our water bottle, our balloon blow up. So, I'll tell you why that happened. So, it says when baking soda and vinegar are mixed, they react to produce carbon dioxide gas. So that gas is filling up our balloon when the baking soda and the vinegar mix. So as more carbon dioxide fills up, the pressure inside increases. So there's more pressure. So then all that gas needs to go somewhere. So it goes inside of the balloon and makes the balloon blow up bigger. See how our balloon got bigger as more gas and more air got put into the balloon. So the baking soda and the vinegar are mixed and they make carbon dioxide gas. So that's why our balloon blew up. Remember, that's the same thing like Mrs. Hanson said when it starts to get super nice outside that we can maybe make volcanoes outside. That's kind of like the same thing that happens, except we're not going to have a balloon and we're probably going to use a whole lot more. And I have a lot of cool experiments that we can do. So all we used for this was a half a cup of vinegar, We used about a half a tablespoon of baking soda. We had a balloon and then an empty water bottle, and we were able to blow up our balloon, making carbon dioxide gas, mixing our baking soda and vinegar. So I hope you guys liked our fun science experiment, and I want to try to do a couple each week because I really like doing this. Me and Lily did this before, and the one we did, the balloon blew up really big, and then the second one we did, the balloon popped and it scared me. And so I know you have to use a little bit bigger balloon than those little tiny ones because little tiny ones will explode, and then I screamed. So I hope you guys had fun, and maybe you guys will get to try it at home. But remember, you have to ask and get permission from a grown up. So I hope you guys had fun. Bye, guys.